Hello students, welcome to Vyas Certification Kota. In this series of NCERT discussion, we are moving on to the next chapter, that is from NCERT class 11th. We'll be bringing you Binomial Theorem, chapter number 8. Today is the turn of exercise 8.1 and one by one we'll be discussing all questions from exercise 8.1. This exercise is a relatively simple exercise because direct formula application of binomial theorem are asked over here. That is, simple expansion is asked in a lot of questions over here. Simple expansion, yes. A few questions based on application of that expansion are also there. We'll be covering all of those questions one by one. Let's discuss this first question as given over here. Expand each of the expressions in exercises 1 to 5. Okay, so we want to expand this 1 minus 2x whole power 5, obviously using the binomial theorem. And how do we do that? For that, let us recall what does the binomial theorem look like. Let us recall what does the binomial theorem look like. Binomial theorem is basically expansion of this a plus b whole power n, where n, we are dealing with n belongs to natural number, positive integers, that's what we are dealing with. N belongs to natural numbers, that is positive integers. This is equal to NC0 a power n b power 0. The first term that begins is NC0 a power n b power 0. B power 0 is obviously 1. The next term, in the next term you have NC1, the power of a will reduce by 1, the power of b will increase by 1. The next term will be NC2, a power n minus 2, b power 2. This is what you have, plus dot dot dot, and the last term that you will have is NCn, a power n minus n, which is a power 0 and b power n. The sum of indices of a and b in all these terms is n, as you can see. The number of terms is n plus 1, as you can see. This is binomial theorem for positive integral index, that's what you can call it. And once you have written this carefully, then what do we do? For 1 minus 2x whole power 5, it is very simple to expand this 1 minus 2x whole power 5. Let's expand this over here. 1 minus 2x whole power 5 will be equal to what? Using this, it can be written as 5c0. The first term 1 will be raised to power 5 minus 2x raised to power 0. This is what you get. This is the first term, right? Okay. The next term will be 5c1 1 power 4 minus 2x power 1. This is what you'll have. The next term will be 5c2 1 power 3. Powers of 1 are gradually reducing and powers of minus 2x are gradually increasing, as you can see over here. This is power 2. In the next term, you'll have 5c3 1 power 2, okay, minus 2x power 3. What about the next term? Continuing further, the next term will be 5c4 1 power 1 minus 2x power 4. The next term, the last term, that will be 5c5 1 power 0 minus 2x power 5. This is what you'll have, right? What next? We'll have to simplify all of these terms next. Let's simplify all of these terms next. What do we have? 5c0, the value of 5c0 is simply 1. 5c0 is simply 1. 1 power 5 is also 1. This is minus 2x power 0, which is also 1. So this is simple term. This is 1 only. Okay. Since this is 1 only, therefore this is particular. This is 1. Right. What next? 5c1 is 5. 1 power 4 is 1. This is minus 2x. What is that? Minus 2 times x. 5 times minus 2 will be minus 10. This becomes minus 10x over here. Okay. What about this 5c2? If you recall the value of 5c2, or you can find the value of 5c2 as 5 factorial by 2 factorial 3 factorial, or in other words 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1. What is that? 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1 would be 20 by 2, which is 10. So this is plus 10 times 1 power 3 is 1 minus 2x power 2. This is 4x square. This becomes 4x square. Okay. Next terms. What is 5c3? 5c3 is same as 5c2, and 5c2 was obviously 10 over here. This is 10 times 1 square, which is 1, minus 2x power 3. Next thing is minus 2x power 3. What is that? This is minus 8 x power 3. This will become minus 8 x power 3. 2 power 3 is this, right? 5c4 is simply 5. 1 power 1 is 1 only. What is minus 2 power 4? Minus 2 power 4 will be 16. And this will be 16 times x power 4. What next? 5c5 is 1. This is again 1. 1 into 1 is 1. What is this? Minus 2 power 5, which is minus 32. This becomes minus 32 x power 5, as you can see over here. The last step which remains is to multiply the remaining things, and this is 1 minus 10x, which is okay. This is 40x square, and this is minus 80 x power 3, that is 80 x power 4, and this is minus 32 x power 5. This is the final expansion, and yes, that should be my final answer. That is my final answer of expansion for this question over here. Is that all? Yes, that's all in this question.